Mamema wakwaba efa umbra GCN page so midin ede adwoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell ni so. Open your notification and some ekoso wo memu bia benye bietie. Anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. Na na ya brefo a wo adwuma ewo Angel FM na okase na eba no se politics mensem na afen so omo agentintin manpa ewo journalism work mu Ghana hanoma na ya brefo eyobi a odimu akotin ye pa na ona okase na o chese ensem ekoso wo NDC party ni mu afi nye enye titrupa ewo Parliament House from state of the nation address to budget reading and affairs committee omo ati omo vet ministers eye his excellency na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ene omo ba be ye adwuma no ensem bebre na ebobo ewo party ni mu Parliament House enya sem ketwa kra NDC for no they are thinking say sesie no first abato dey to na nkasa no Ghana fu wi a omo ena omo de court nso no omo anhya down ke bia omo enti no ena fe nso eba the Parliament House a eye right honorable Aban Bagbin no so ka oye NDC ni omo choose ne se onjina ho Parliament House anka bibi kwosompo be defend NDC for no ene nso no yaba no minority leader eye honorable Haruna Idris nso ono so sisi de eye ne squad de kenken agi nse mekra ena friends honorable Mutaka o se nkrofo miense we na ye nkrofo bia omo di tintima pa ye ewo NDC party ni mo na sisi de sisi NDC for mu so omo hu so kra na ni mu na ya brefo etrese aho na NDC for no what do you expect because mu opposition and na nanu ya abatu ya 2020 abatu ya 2 na mu opposition into new people no omo ba politics me na omo standing omo to a omo so aba as MPs no eye MPP for ni bi sponsor omo financially omo sika e na omo de eyo omo campaign omo tumi win omo akọ Parliament House into NDC for no what do you expect these people no they own NPP for omo skom de campaign no so the NDC for no mo ya ne de you should be careful anya sa ensem ebo baba party ni na enye na a very good class sense we started and term ansana because I started we be at 2023 hon ma ebe to abana ka ebeye dangerous pa enti no good sense we na starting tema NDC for no beti I come together no ma solve omo issue se na ebe ya omo party no ebetumi etu pod coming 2024 election no enti no NDC for no mema no nyomo wan wakran sama ekoso no from Parliament House to NPP NDC party na kasemu na MPs omo ho honorable right Aban Bagbin mo na Mutaka mo na dia ensema ekoso no mana nyomo wan because MPs ni bi wo ho no mo a financially NPP for no support you omo enti no mo akọ Parliament House no they don't have a say omo ni hwe ka de omo wan se omo pon omo atikwa na omo di so na enti ensema omo de etudwa
to rule in
even during elections. No? This elections, some of the NDC or more corporate or more MPP for Nibi, MPs Nibi financially supported some because then omo party ni power. Omo more maka me with Nasibi Fidi Gadochi financially supporting them. And to say financially what supporting me. But somewhere, somehow, I owe you some kind of gratitude.
winning elections. Posters, no. If he distributor be home and a buy, let chairman all printing posters. Printing house now coin now printing posters. No, who could read and so Obia Betria? No, be sending poetry. Do be sir. Chairman, Naiden. Who could be sent? Whom we say now, me posters now was say a sim Obia Betria. A young one. Mafia, who printed 1 year, no. On your party member.
Yeah, just cancel so.
And yes, also Jessica. On no one can more pro forma invoice.
That's right.
Wa print here and wa for so near man. You was say we in term do no. Say your time when audition so also.
Yeah.
Enti baji yenya financier amount. Na wa kwaje na wa friend so asa also and baji biom. Na woje posters na woje t-shirt.
Obetia ho ka obetia ho.
Woje che.
Obetia ho ka.
MPP ni printing NDC posters amount. No printed t-shirts mawa. No winning now co parliament.
Gwadoyankwa Central Region. Even in the Central Region. What is happening in the Central Region? A former chairman
who has stood on a platform to discredit the effort of the president in this fight to this whole problem, this whole pandemic, where Gina platform so I criticize the president to say MPP are buying any she. Na yakote trust funder eja eba ne saying and despite media just said that na ya wasare chairman general one na mami ya kuna do adwa ya bu eje just say you people have so many ago ne hwanum eja ko omuni na ayi your friend is saying double num just say there are so many people we have. Doctor, these are people you call to do commercial for you to make your company money. But you don't find them worthy on sitting on such a board. But you rather go bring somebody that you know very well, because to me can't tell me say you didn't know this would arise. Knowing very well the job Abeku Santana has done against MPP. Now who could choose to be out of despite emanene government abeye juma. Wosi wonipa wonunya government na said wo bebo nituo no wono look at the names Dan Kwaku Yeboah. So what you say Dan Kwaku Yeboah, there are so many brilliant people. Diana Samoa because board no so keke no mo kwatena abeku okwo no won kwasensan yi bia board no so keke no mo kwatena kire wadwene keke no kwatena nti Mr. Sapon Nanado why am I I just want to know, what has Nanado done to people? Like Nanado, Ekufuado, Papa no why am I Hey, or no one Flagstaff force full miano. Hey, one no one communicators ba ni ebunikom. Hey, one no one MPC nkoye campaign na yes yenye. Hey, one no one just say, oh my God, man, Nana presidency won. Enye nyame na de man wanka. I don't think Sanka bit me stand it. Hey, mobo. Just say, Obia agenda, Obia orchestration has to be against Nanado. Me pacho, NDC MPP. Obi Ghana. Oto abawon to aba. Me sremo. Asem way, munyimano. Me pacho. Nana Ekufuado. Ghana ni ben sika. Ene ye detete Nana Ekufuado anase ye de train in school. Anase Nana Ekufuado. Ghana ni ben ene de no call international school we dey university man too kwan mentia se. O papa mi amana me di ade ancho. Se no. O papa be di ade no so be di ade no ene ha mo. O papa ni mu no we ndi ade anche. Ene busua no mu we sika dada. Enti sika ben. Nanso ya de aban sika ya de government sika tu o mo ka wo mo de ahwe wo mo mba school e we brochire ahwe wo mba school wa outside ya ende wo mo mba no aba be den aba be MPs e be ministers e bi rebel ba running for flag bearers. Yes, Ekufuado wa mo den Ekufuado just say dinu na yo mo yo say dinu just say obu Ekufuado pe akola bia say so far as obedi di na tem de yenko di na tem na ya so wunya party for Roski, what makes Nanado a wicked man? Can you write one thing that made Nanado a wicked man for me, please? Please, I just want one word. Just one thing that Nanado did that is wicked. Please, don't just say wicked and then go. Why? Chiremu, I will give you the platform. What makes Nanado wicked? Please, just tell me and I would also come in. Sorry, I would also come in. Why you cry my magba? But anyways, put that on the side. But maintain the hatred, Nasi. Ye kote board. Hey, Prince David or say, why? Who don't we have? A jelko, why, ye Germany now. Then Mr. Sapon, Ako, say, on a dear, on tea se dogobi no abe, sikana ba, abeku Santana nkwa, ye che despite media, abeku Santana nkwa ne wenim dia, ono nkwa na ne ho ofe, ono nkwa na ne sigire dem, ono nkwa ne wesu ade adu akire so ono nkwa ne betumi atena board no so. When you know what that can cause into a party like NPP,